because he is the chief judge tomorrow. So when I pick some pictures with him, you got no pictures tomorrow? I don't know what's going to happen to you. But otherwise, we're fair, okay? That was just a joke. Anyway, Doctor.
Thank you. I'm very good. Good afternoon. And today I feel really proud of myself and proud of the world president. The world president is known as the godfather of natural bodybuilding. Without him, we won't be here. And without him, we won't have natural stages around the world today. So we are just the followers. I became one of the followers of Mr. President since 2013. I was in IFBB, like Sajali from Malaysia. I think he might be around here. Where is Sajali?
Right here.
Sajali. Okay, yeah. So we were together actually in IFBB. Kevin was in IFBB before. Why they left, I don't know. But I know why I left. Because they stopped doping tests in 2011. Then I thought, no, this is not my place. So I was looking for a federation where natural athletes can compete. And that's how I found IND. And my first championship was in Greece, in Zakynthos, the beautiful place in Europe, and our world president's hometown. Right, Mr. President? Yeah. So he visits many times. And so I'm very, very proud of you, proud of myself, proud of Kevin, proud of all the leaders around the world, those who are helping and who will be helping. But today I'm very happy that I didn't expect so many athletes. You know why? Because most of the athletes around the world today, they don't even believe they can do bodybuilding and fitness without using steroids, without using anabolic drugs. But you are some of the special, elite athletes who come here. So I wish you all the best, and I am very sure, 100% sure, that you will enjoy this first pro and amateur show, international level in Singapore, and you will really enjoy this show. And don't worry, you don't take picture with me, it's okay. Kevin was just kidding. We are very much fair. We try our best level to be fair to each and every athlete, because we know I myself, so far I have got 11 INBA world titles with world president's blessing. So I know, as a natural athlete, how hard you have to train to build a little piece of muscle, because we don't take those enhancing stuffs. So it's very, very difficult for us to build muscle, to be in shape, to be striding, to be, cut. So we try to give whatever you deserve. So don't worry, we will be very fair. And I'm the chief judge, so trust me. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. McLean. And of course, I'll be the substitute chief judge. Like when he goes to the toilet, hungry, so you got to bear with me, right? I'm sure a few of you have experienced the way I chief judge. Anyhow, no, right? Fair, right? Yes, you look like you're being forced to say it. But otherwise, yes, we try to be as fair as possible, but as fair as we can be. Okay? Okay, the next person, we're going to run through because we got